Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Going to give you a full tour of a veranda room here on the Disney Wish. This particular room, 10514. So come on in, check it out. So guys, before we get into the tour, I ask everybody to please take a moment to subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. One great thing on the Disney Wish, not sure if it's incorporated on the other Disney cruise ships. If you have a Magic Band Plus, it interacts all over, as you can see. It opens doors, it goes off as you're walking around. Lots of interaction here. On Disney cruise lines, you will need a card to access the power in your room. So all the lights, the outlets, everything like that. Now, you don't specifically have to use, this is, I believe the key on Disney cruise lines is called Key to the World. It's basically your door key. If you need to purchase something, you would use this. You can stick any kind of card in there and it'll work just fine. So first thing I want to show you is one nice thing about the Disney Wish. I've only been on the Dream, that's the other one I've been on, but you get a split bathroom. So what's really neat is you can come over on this side, so it's kind of dual purpose. Say, hey, me, I want to go shave, I can come over here and shave while somebody on the other side is taking their shower, you know, which is very nice. So we have that. Let's get into it a little bit. I really love the detail with the towels with the Disney Cruise Line. You got your soap here. Oh, look at that. Hand soap. Nice little sink. Use your trash there. Another towel. Some shelving. Actually, there is an outlet in there, so you do have an outlet. Yeah, and a couple hooks, and they do. I think it's like a. It says like a night light. Let's see. Let's shut off the main. Put on the night. Oh, it just glows the floor. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and check out the other side here. As I said, now let me show you this side. We got Roberta and Jake hanging out too to give a hand if needed on the tour, because you know me, I might forget something. I like the bathrooms on the Disney Wish. Oh yes, nice glass door. Does it? Oh, it pushes open. Got that shower head there. It's adjustable. I'm pretty short, but there's still a long way to go. I'm about 5'7". Yeah, you could be 6 feet in. You know, I'm not saying it's going to be comfortable, but I think it'll work. And then, of course, you have your amenities there. Shut that. And what's nice, too, is there's a tub. So not just the shower, but you also can utilize a tub if you have a child and you want to give them a bath. Now, coming around here, you have your bath soap. Some more of that body lotion. Plenty of towels. And if you need anything, believe me, they're going to take care of you on Disney Cruise Line. I do love the towels. I know I just said it, but such a little detail that you find on the Disney cruises. A couple more hooks here. More shelving. I'm looking for, oh yes, they do have a clothesline so you can dry off your bathing suits. Looking for an outlet in this one. No. So outlet in the other one. Coming down here, you got some Kleenex, trash. All right, let's head out into the main part of the room. Show you some of the storage area as Roberta is utilizing some of that storage area. These slide. So you got plenty of hangers.
So it's not open because my luggage is in the way.
But the luggage, yeah, but you get the idea. This one in the middle has all the different shelving. You got some laundry bag and a safe. And did I mention off topic, Roberta? Room service. Included.
Oh, yes, included.
Included. I think there might be a service charge, possibly like a couple $1 service charge, but it is included in your cruise fare.
And not everything is included. So we made like I think bought like a can
water and drinks.
A couple things
but
are not included.
I just wanted to throw that in there because we are in a room and it's called room service.
Correct.
What I like, this is the first. I don't like to do my comparisons, but this is the first cruise ship I've been on in a regular room where they give you robes.
Yes.
I don't ever remember that.
Yes.
So more storage here. All right, let's get into the main area. On the other side, she's going to show you how the lights work. And as she's doing that, I'm going to show you some of these outlets here. You have some USBs. You have your international. You have a nice little drawer here. And well, these little lights are cool because, Roberta, go ahead, show them how they work.
Yeah, so it's all the...
They have dimmers on them.
Yeah.
Both of them. And then they have a master switch where you can...
Control, 'cause that's
yeah, like to read.
Yeah.
And then the master switch, which I'll show you here, will just...
That one's for the top.
Oh, okay, so these...
For the top.
Watch. All right, let me hit it. Oh, okay. So
And
there's
they
two of them.
And they are controlled from both sides.
Oh, so yeah, if you wanted to shut that one off and leave that one on. Cool. Then you have your TV here.
Yeah.
This is an adjoining room. On Disney Cruise Line, many adjoining rooms.
Yes.
Families come.
Have a couple hook in there.
Oh yeah, we have a hook.
There's not a lot of hooks. People will bring extra magnets, so.
Yeah, the walls, they say you can, the walls are metal.
We brought it, so let's
We'll do a test.
do a test.
But look at the beautiful artwork. Little Mermaid? Awesome. If I'm wrong, I apologize. But to me, I'm thinking that's definitely not Nemo, right? That's Little Mermaid.
Also, you can store your luggage on there.
Yeah, storage luggage under the bed. And on this side, you have your regular outlets too, with the USBs. And you have this nice little privacy curtain. Oh yes, definitely Little Mermaid. Another art of Little Mermaid there. Coming around here, this is gonna open up to a bed.
Yeah, the bed.
So you would pull this down. This will become a bed.
And also in this vlog, we'll show later on.
We'll show it later. As I said, I'm gonna do a full review.
Okay.
I don't know if I said that yet, but we do our room tour, and then in this same vlog, we review the room. Is there any issues? What do we love? So we'll show you this at some point opened.
Yeah.
You got a nice little table here. Let's see how it would actually work, though. If I sat down.
Yeah.
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 It's fine. You can do different options. Oh, you can actually. I like that too. Looking across. Show you guys that.
So garbage is in here.
We got a garbage. Roberta actually makes these. She's made so many. We're doing pixie dusting.
Yeah. This is the one that Jake picked for him.
Yeah. You got a phone here.
Yeah.
Kleenex. I like all the lights. There's a lot of lights because Roberta hit the mirror one. Yeah, and then you can do your ceiling fans, and then watch this, guys. Okay,
ceiling fan, ceiling lights.
Ceiling light. Here's the curtain one. That'd be nice at night, huh? That would look cool. And then the balcony has a light. It must be a room service menu. It's probably on your app.
No, that's
Probably on your app. Oh, this is like a continental breakfast option you can do. You can fill this out, hang it on your door.
Yeah, that's the one that you also can do it for the breakfast.
Yeah, and then you hit the time, and they'll bring you like coffees and danishes, little postcards and stationery.
And a lot of times we will
nice
use.
pen too.
Yeah, this is actually complimentary.
These are complimentary,
Yes.
yeah.
But this is normally what we use to when we have to write notes about cast members or crew members.
Yeah.
Yes, we
For
use.
to compliment. Oh, more outlets here. Lots of them. And then, of course, this is our second Disney cruise, so you get gifts with each cruise as you go along.
Yes, silver.
Roberta
so
opened one.
Yeah, I opened one.
There's three of us. We're all silver. And we got a nice little bag. Castaway Club bag. It's actually very nice.
Let me open the bag too. Or while you're showing, I'm going to open the bag.
And then some of these drinking. Oh, I got to show you this. Refrigerator. That's so cool. And nice thing is you can bring on beverages to Disney. There's limited amounts you have to check because it does vary, but we brought on a 12-pack of seltzer, just regular seltzer, and it was no problem at all.
Oh, it's a nice bag. Okay.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
It's almost kind of waterproofy a little bit, actually, the bag. Yeah, it is.
I don't know if it is, but
I don't know if it's,
like
if you could submerge it, but I think in a little rain it would protect. All right, that shows that. And now, guys, the best part.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead outside.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, let me show you the safety. So let me show you the latch here. This red, you can't open the door. Even if it's unlocked down here, it won't allow you. As you can see, it's a stopper, so which is very nice if you have kids and they can't reach it, right? So safety. And then you flip to green, then you can go out. And nice. We are in Port Canaveral, guys. Just to show you. One thing I do kind of like about this balcony is we're right up pretty high here. This is the 10th deck. And I don't know, maybe some people wouldn't like an overhang like this. Oh, it's blocking where I want to look. To me, I think it's great because with rain, even if that rain was coming down like this, if you get some rainy weather out there, that's probably going to block it pretty good. And as you can see, Jake, here, you can see the safety here. Very important. That's a very high rail. So, just be cautious, of course. You got to be careful on cruise ships. And again, nice chairs. Really love the touch of the Disney logo there. And then the nice little table. Probably be out here in the morning having a coffee. So, guys, there you have it. A room tour, and we'll show you the bed turned down. We will give our review all in this same vlog. So we'll see you back vlog time. 2 seconds. We just opened the door, but it was nice and dimmed.
Yeah.
And then Roberta said, no, put the lights on. So, what do we got? Oh, I know what that is right away. That's an easy one, guys.
Oh, that's so cute.
Let's see if Roberta knows what it is.
That's a crab.
Yeah. Look at his eyes.
And chocolate.
And chocolate. This is the special Disney touch.
Yes.
He put the lights with the dimmer.
Yes.
These were off, weren't they, when we came in? Something was off.
Yeah.
That's your back.
And then Jake has his side here.
Oh yeah, that's how the bed looks like.
Yeah, I will turn the light on here. Hold on a moment. So remember what the couch looked like?
Yeah.
And now you can see the bed turned down. So guys, you just saw the room tour. Here is a quick review. I think that is really cool to do the tour and then a very quick review at the end of the tour. So guys, some of the bonuses of that room were the split bathroom.
Yes, definitely.
Excellent.
Plus, yeah.
Speeds up the process, as you saw in the tour, how that works. Another great thing, of course, is having a balcony room. It's almost an extension. It almost gives you more room.
Yeah.
So you can enjoy being outdoors, you know, while you're waiting for somebody to get ready or things. So I always think of the balcony, Roberta, and everybody out there as almost extra space.
Yeah.
It's nice in the morning to go out there and have the coffee.
Yeah.
How about you, Roberta? Anything that you can add?
A lot of outlets in the room.
Yeah.
Bed is very comfortable, and location of the room was really good.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
One thing we've learned is if you find a deck that has rooms above you and rooms below you, you have less noise.
Yes.
So when you are booking cruises, check, you know, if you want a high deck, but the pool deck's above your room or a dining area or something like that, you're going to hear noise at night when they're cleaning. So I don't have anything negative about the room, really. I can't really think of anything I didn't like. The room steward, they come twice a day with Disney.
Oh, Ryan was so good.
Ryan, excellent.
Excellent, yeah.
I have no complaints at all about the room.
The bed was comfortable. You know, we had the bed that the couch turns.
Yeah.
So, but I think there was different options on a Disney Wish. So if you wanted the couch available all day, maybe you want a different kind of setup.
Worked for us though.
Yes,
for us, the room
was really good. I really liked it. Yes.
So, nothing negative to say about the room. The room was great.
Yes.
So, guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!